This tutorial explains how to make a task list. When you install the app, this is what you'll see. The empty window on the left is where you'll make your list. To the right is a panel that will show some of the properties of the task focused in the list, such as the start date, the due date, the priority, and so on. To the right of that, you'll see tabbed lists of the emails, documents, contacts, and notes linked to the focused task. The pane on the far right is a calendar showing tasks due on each day. If you want to link your list to your Microsoft Office account, the first thing you need to do is to go on to the Online Apps tab and check the checkbox labeled Link to Office 365. You'll have to click through a one-time permission form and log on to your account. If you want an explanation of the permission form, please watch the video on privacy and permissions. You can have as many task lists as you like. To get started, click on the New List button on the ribbon and you'll see a dialog box in which you can give the list a name. I'm going to call this list Project Alpha. I can also give it a custom number, for example, a project or account number, but I'm going to leave the default number for now. If you are logged on to your Office account, you'll see a checkbox asking if you want to make a linked Office to-do list, and a button to link the list to an Office OneNote notebook. You don't have to link the list to an Office account. If you don't have an account, you'll still have all the features of the app available locally, but we're going to link the list here so you can see how that works. If you leave the checkbox checked, the app will go on to your Office to-do account and make a to-do list with the name that you give this list, and after that, it will automatically post your tasks to the online to-do list. The app keeps the local list and the online to-do list synchronized, so if you make changes in the app or online, they'll be reflected in both places. If you want to link the list to a OneNote notebook, click on the button. The app will go online and fetch a list of your OneNote notebooks. You can link the list to one of these, or you can make a new one. I'm going to click on the button to make a new notebook, and I'm going to give it the same name as the task list, Project Alpha. The app will go online and make a new notebook. It takes a few seconds. And I'm going to select the new notebook and press OK twice. You can see now I'm working with a local list called Project Alpha, which is linked to an Office OneNote notebook and a to-do list, both also called Project Alpha. If you go on to your Office account, you should see the to-do list and the notebook. If you want to work with a different list, you can click on Choose or Edit a Task List and choose another list. You can also group your lists, which is just a way of organizing them visually. To illustrate, I'm going to create a group called Work Lists to keep all my work-related lists in one place. Now I can assign Project Alpha to my work lists by dragging it onto the group. You don't have to assign a list to a group. You'll see assigned lists in the left-hand panel and unassigned lists in the right. Now we're ready to add some tasks. To see how to do this, please watch the video on making and editing tasks.